In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize categories in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Customizing categories helps you organize your finances based on your actual spending habits, instead of relying only on default options. To begin, go to Settings, then click on Categories. From here, you can create a new category by clicking Create Category under Income, Expenses, or Transfers. Enter a name, choose an icon, and assign it to a group. You can also edit existing categories by clicking on them. This lets you rename, move them to a different group, or deactivate ones you don't use. Deactivating is useful for cleaning up categories like children if they don't apply to you. You can also drag and reorder categories to control how they appear in your budget, making the most important ones easier to track. If you want more structure, you can create custom groups to organize related categories, like grouping home-related expenses together. All changes sync automatically and won't affect your past data, so you can safely adjust your setup anytime. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.